Hey everyone, it's Mark for Windows Central here at CES, and this is the new ultra slim Huawei MateBook 13. Let's take a look. Weighing at just 2.86 pounds, the Huawei MateBook 13 is thin, light, and portable. It features a 13-inch 1440p touchscreen display in a small body. The thin bezels achieve an 88% screen-to-body ratio, and I love that it uses a 3:2 aspect ratio like Microsoft Surface devices. It also has 100% sRGB color gamut, which is great for color accuracy. Under the hood, you get up to Intel i7 processor with NVIDIA GeForce MX150, 8 gigs of RAM, and up to 512 gigs NVMe PCIe SSD. When it comes to ports, you get 2 USB Type-C ports and a 3.5mm audio jack. The power button on the keyboard deck has a fingerprint sensor, so the laptop integrates power, fingerprint verification, and system sign-in into one button. The full-size keyboard is backlit and has 1.2mm key travel. The MateBook 13 has a 41.7 watt-hour battery, and Huawei says we should expect up to 10 hours of battery life, but we'll have to test that in our review. The MateBook 13 starts at $999 for the i5 variant and $1,299 for the i7 with NVIDIA GeForce MX150. The laptop will begin selling in the US on January 29th at Amazon and Newegg, with additional retailers in February. So, what do you think of the new MateBook 13? Let us know in the comments. I'm Mark for Windows Central. Thanks for watching.